Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. For this video, I am super excited because I was contacted by Fabfitfun and they asked if I would like to have their winter box for free. So I am a Fabfitfun partner and I'm very excited. Like, I have looked at this box so many times over the last however long, and they've only just started delivering to the UK, and yeah, and they literally contacted me and I couldn't believe it. I was just like, oh, I'm just so excited. They arrived today. I've got a really bad cold. Oh my goodness, look. So excited. Okay, so this was sent to me for free from Fabfitfun, which is just amazing. I'm very thankful. But I can tell you a little bit about the box before I undo it. They have given me a discount code for $10 off, which is just Luce. I'll put it on the screen now. I'll link their website and their Instagram and everything down below for you guys. I have just been on the website to have a look, and it costs $49.99 a month. No, and it's every 3 months. You get it 4 times a year, and it is so $49.99, which is, with postage, works out at £55.69 sort of estimate, because it's $10 for postage. Or you can do an annual one, where instead of being $200, it's $180. So that in pounds for the year, so you get 4 boxes a year, is £204. And yeah, it's basically, they say it's a $50 box with a $200 value, and from what I've looked at before, it just looks amazing. If you're in the States, it's free shipping. It's $10 to the UK, which I think is really good. So yeah, all opinions are my own. I'm very excited to open this, and I'm just going to do it because I'm just very excited. Right, how do we open you? Oh, it's a good job I've got my scissors. I'm really annoyed that my voice is going, but I'm too excited to wait to get better, because it could take me a week to get better, and I want to do it now. I did print off other things about camera, Fabfitfun, to sort of tell you guys, just because I wanted to make sure that I got it all across, because baby brain. They give to non-profit, they raise funds and awareness for non-profits. You can pick what's in your box, you can customize it. They support female business leaders, and it ships to the United States, to Canada and the UK. And yes, $50, $200 value. What's not to love? What is not to love? So yeah, let's get in. Oh my goodness, it is huge. It is massive. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So we've got like a little book, the Winter 2019 book, which seems to be just like a little, oh no, it does tell you what, I don't want to look. It tells you different things that are in it. And then we've got some coupons and stuff that I'll give you guys. This one I don't think is going to work for us, because this is a $90 HelloFresh card, but we're in the UK, so I don't think that will work. But let's get in. My goodness, look. Can you see that? Look at the stuff in there. There's so much in there. Right. What are you? Let's see if I can find you in this book. Alright, this is Radial, and it is a soft focus glow drops. Ooh. There's this. Okay, so you've got like a little thing here. It says in every box, all members get these items, and then all members get the chance to customize the box with these options. And it says select members will get to customize these options in their box, otherwise Fabfitfun will choose the box, and Fabfitfun's pick, they will surprise you with an option that they think you'll love. So this is the Radial drops. All members get these. These is worth $55. They're formulated to brighten the complexion and provide a radiant priming base for makeup and application. They sound lovely. I love glowy stuff. Get out. Oh, it's pretty. Look. It's pretty. I love a dropper in a glass bottle. Oh, it's pretty. It's like unicorn. I'm gonna put it on my face now. What's happening? I've got no makeup on. I've got literally no makeup on. So probably not gonna do anything other than just hydrate me a little bit. Oh, it smells lush. What do you smell of? That smells so nice. I don't know what that smells of, but it smells amazing. Oh, I like it. I like it. My camera isn't the best screen for me to look in. I'm gonna check on my phone. See if I look glowy. I smell amazing. Oh, I like it. It's nice. Feels very hydrating. Yes. Very happy with that one. There is like this, I can't believe how much stuff is in here. Like, this is the page that says what you can potentially get and like add to your box and stuff. So much. Right, next. Oh, it's a colour switch. Oh, it's a real colour switch. I've got a fake one. So colour switch, if you don't know, is they're magic. They're just magic. It is a makeup brush cleaner. So like, say you're doing your makeup and you're doing like a dark smoky eye and you've got black eyeshadow on your brush, but it's your favourite brush, and then you want to be like, oh, I want to put a lighter colour on. You literally just get the brush and just swirl it in this doodad and it cleans it. It's magic. It's like a sponge, not just any sponge. Yeah, they're amazing. I've got a fake one and that's amazing, so I can't even begin to think how good this is. And it's super handy because it's like, obviously if you've got a wash brush, you've then got to wait for it to dry before you can finish your eyes, whereas this, ooh, this is a dry. I'm so excited. And then you can clean these and reuse them. I'm assuming, I'm saying that, I'm assuming you can, because I do with my fake one. Colour switch. Is this so everybody gets one? Vera Mona colour switch. Easily switch between your favourite makeup colours. This is $16.99. Only this is a select members get this one. Oh, I'm a select member. Next up, we've got a, what are you? Balm to oil something. Where are you? 4B. This is LXMI Pure Nilla Ticker Melt. This 100% organic balm to oil deeply nourishes as it hydrates, brightens and protects the skin. $28. Packaging is gorgeous. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day when needed. We suggest around the eyes, on lips and on dry patches. Oh, so it's like a lip balm, like an intensive balm. How gorgeous is that packaging? I love it. It's all sealed. I've got sore lips. Oh, get out. It's because it's been travelling. It's really thick and lovely. Oh, that's lovely. And it does, it is like a balm. It's really, really thick, and then it's just gone to an oil on my lips and on my finger. I really like that. And I just want the packaging. I would totally have that packaging as wallpaper. Like, picture that, just camera. A whole wall of it. Yes. Okay, next up, I've got a Prime and Prep Detangler. Ooh. Protects up to 230 degrees C or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is, where are you? You are here, number 7. This is one of the, are you one of the blue ones? Or, I don't know. This is either every box or they picked it for us. And this is a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. The lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin C and B, sea berry oil to protect your hair against heat up to 450 degrees. Leaves hair soft and conditions, and that's $23. So that's really nice. I definitely need that. I never protect my hair from heat, and I really should, because I dye it so often. My hair is just like, oh, okay. But yeah, that's awesome. Let me try and get this plastic off, and then we can actually see what it looks like without it reflecting. looks like. Really pretty pink. Lovely. Definitely need that. Right, what are you? Oh, this is the original pink makeup eraser. I've seen loads of people use these and I've never actually used one. I've had fake ones and I've had a little one. This is, where are you? $20 from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush. This reusable makeup remover erases everything with just water, so you don't have to use cleansers or anything just to get your makeup off. And I love the shape. I love the fact that the box is like the shape of an eraser, or if you're in the UK, a rubber. Oh my god, it's huge. Your product purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. Yeah, don't use wipes. I don't use wipes. I use like flannels and then cleanser if I need to. Really, really soft, really big. The ones I've got are teeny, and then you end up like just smearing makeup around your face. But that's awesome. So you just, I think you just literally wet it and use it. Wash it approximately 1 to 2 times a week. Yeah, lovely stuff. No alcohol, no oils, no astringents, no parabens, no dyes, no fragrance, no sulfates, and no more wipes. That's the hashtag, no more wipes. We also don't use baby wipes in this house. We use cheeky wipes, which are like reusable baby wipes. So we wash them. Next up is a nails ink, and it's Thirsty Hand Super Hydrating Hand Mask. Oh, lovely. I do love a hand or a foot mask. The exfoliating foot masks are just awesome. This is Incredible Nails Ink Thirsty Hand Mask. These gloves feature a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, vitamin E, instantly smooth and rejuvenate dry hands. $16. So you put them on and you leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes. And then you like rub in the excess serum. Whatever's left in your hands, don't waste it. Like rub it up your arms, rub it over it, wherever. Because it'll be nice and moisturising. Don't waste it. So that's lovely. And they're pretty. Again, I'd have that as wallpaper. Very, very pretty. Okay. Oh my god, is it slippers? I think I've got a blanket. I think I've got a blanket. Is this a blanket? It is. Oh my goodness, it's a blanket. 1B, where are you? Unhide Little Marshmallow. Stay cozy all night with this faux blanket. $65. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. I need to get into it. I need to put it around me. I want to wrap it around me. Get. Oh my goodness, get out. Oh my god, the girls are totally going to try and steal this. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's huge. It's massive. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so soft. Imagine if I just had this as the thumbnail. Oh, it's lovely. It is absolutely massive. Yeah, the kids are totally going to try and steal this, but it's mine. It's not happening. It's mine. And then my last item in the box is some slippers, which I love. As if there's slippers in here. 2B, where are you? PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. These are $45. Keep your feet extra cozy and supported in these comfy slippers. Look, how cute are they? I love them. Oh my goodness, they're really soft. Oh, they're all lined with like the fairy stuff. I will put on the screen how much everything I've got adds up to. I think it says here the total value can be from $211 to $354. The other things that you potentially get is a bobble hat. There is a moisturising cream, shampoo and conditioner, a candle, a beanie, eyelash conditioner, a mask, a shower speaker, no way, a bracelet, a palette, some eyelashes, a handbag, a face mask set. What are you? A diary. There's literally so much stuff. What are you? And there's a coffee scrub, and a hand and body wash. There is so much stuff you can potentially get, and I think you can go on and you can customize it how you want to customize it. So wow, I am super impressed with that. Thank you so much to Fabfitfun for sending me this. I'm like blown away, and I cannot wait to start using it all. I'm having to hide this from the kids. I'm totally having this on my bed, and then the kids won't get it. Wow. I'll put everything on my Instagram. I'll take pictures of everything individually as well, and then just put some pictures on the end so you can see everything better. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.